Here's a recipe for a fabulous breaded veal cutlet dinner with applesauce and mashed potatoes. Ingredients. For the breaded veal cutlets: 4 veal cutlets, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs beaten, 2 cups breadcrumbs, preferably Italian style, ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ cup vegetable oil for frying. For the applesauce: 4 apples, peeled, cored, and chopped, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ cup water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For the mashed potatoes: 4 large potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks, ½ cup unsalted butter, ½ cup milk, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. 1. Bread and fry the veal cutlets. Season the veal cutlets with salt and pepper. Set up a breading station with 3 shallow bowls, 1 with flour, 1 with beaten eggs, and 1 with a mixture of breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and dried oregano. Dredge each veal cutlet in flour, dip into the beaten eggs, and coat with the breadcrumb mixture. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the breaded veal cutlets until golden brown and cook through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb excess oil. 2. Make the applesauce. In a saucepan, combine chopped apples, sugar, cinnamon, water, and lemon juice. Bring to a simmer over medium heat and cook until the apples are soft and the mixture has thickened, about 15 to 20 minutes. Mash the apples with a fork or potato masher to achieve the desired consistency. Adjust sugar and cinnamon to taste. 3. Prepare mashed potatoes. Boil the potato chunks in salted water until tender. Drain. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. 4. Assemble and serve. Place a veal cutlet on each plate, accompanied by a generous serving of mashed potatoes and a dollop of applesauce. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley. 5. Enjoy. Serve the fabulous breaded veal cutlet dinner with applesauce and mashed potatoes immediately. This dinner combines the crispy and flavorful veal cutlets with the sweetness of homemade applesauce and the creamy comfort of mashed potatoes, a truly fabulous and satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.